up, YouTube? How you all doing? Happy New Week, guys. This week was great. I mean, we've been experiencing a lot of grain, but yesterday was, I don't want to say yesterday was tragic, but I mean, a lot of shit went down. Joe Powell wasn't nice for the market. I mean, sometimes that nigga is never nice for the market. He just does things. I think maybe sometimes he wakes up and is like, you know what, let's crash. But anyway, I'm just here to tell you all that panic not. Don't be afraid. This looks like the best time to get in. I mean, we are entering the Santa Claus rally, December, Christmas, and New Year. A lot of people will be taking out some gains, so I think this is one of the signs that hey, you should get ready to load up. And if you're not loading up on some tokens or maybe stocks or whatever, I think this is the best time because yesterday was very red. I mean, the whatever must have been the reason why Joe Paul. I can't discuss everything or talk about everything on this video because I like keeping my videos short. So whatever must have, whatever must have happened. You hear me? Whatever must have happened, and that would have been the reason why we had so much red. But again, this is the best time to buy now. I'll be looking at let's see. We had Bitcoin dropping. We had I don't know, today it's green. I didn't record the video yesterday. I'm recording today, but yesterday it was all markets were red, like super red. I got into my trade view. I was like, whoa, what happened? And I was kind of happy because I was able to DCA into it. This is the best time to buy more. This is the best time to buy more. Let's start with our DXY. Let's just analyze what the DXY is doing. Alright, with the DXY, you can see the dollar actually plumbed up a little bit yesterday. That was good. The news was kind of like a bit good for DXY, but not really good for the market. I did say we should be expecting good pop up for DXY, and I said we might retrace into this level, and then I said we're gonna top up over here. But regardless of which, what should we expect from the markets? Okay, what should we expect? I'm expecting good bull run by the end of December, but not like a big spiky bull run. You know what I mean? Just a casual one. Okay, let's where's my S&P 500? Yep. Okay, so this is the S&P. All right, so the market was not friendly. It wasn't at all. You can see this huge drop. This talks about the US economy, what will happen. And I just feel that the feds are just going to crash the market, so it's going to look like, oh, everybody should go out. And you won't be surprised if you start seeing grains and grain spikes complete this. But whatever the case is, I wouldn't advise anyone to just sell out because I still believe Santa Claus rally will happen this year, and the market will go green again. The Feds just want to crash it so people will get in late again. And besides, everything was oversold. Okay, we were really oversold. We've been going up, up, up. We've not really had this kind of candle movement since for a long time. We've not had it, so it's not normal, but still, regardless of which, it's bad for the economy. But still, that doesn't mean that markets would actually drop. Like that doesn't mean that we are going into the red. Okay, remember, we still have Trump that's gonna come into office, and positive news are coming in, and this is the best time to get ready for those positive news. If you have not been loading up, if you've not been loading up, and you've not been, maybe buying stocks or buying some crypto tokens or whatever, this is the best time. Buy it now that it's red. Don't wait for it to go green and then you buy, or then you buy at the top and then they dump on you like whoever must have been here. So if you're here and you're seeing this, this is also the best time to buy because I don't see any likelihood of the market crashing. I don't see any likelihood of the market crashing, although inflation rates and unemployment would news and will cause a lot of things by next year. But hopefully, we're expecting to see positive news from next year, or let's just say from January, and we hope for the best. Okay, but again, market is risky. All right, it's risks out there, and this is the best time to go in. Anyway, let's start with Bitcoin. What should we expect from Bitcoin at this moment? This is the best time to get into Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin, you can see it also, the market also affected Bitcoin. As I said, yesterday was very red, and we can see that red down. should we still be looking for more, I mean, red to come? I do feel for Bitcoin, I do feel that after the Santa Claus rally, if the Santa Claus rally happens, or if there is going to be a Santa Claus rally, or if there's any going to be, if there's going to be a very green market, I do feel that Bitcoin is still going to drop a little bit. I still have that insight that we might drop back to at least the 80s or the 70s, 79, around the area. I still have that insight, and not just a feeling. I still have that insight that we would top down to the 80s based on my technicals, and we should be coming down here, down to the 80s or the 70s. And so, yeah, if that happens, that's still good. You have more time to buy in. It doesn't matter. I don't see Bitcoin going bullish strongly anymore, because it's accumulated so much, and the only push I know it can do is just little pumps. That's the most push I think it can do. And right from here, I don't see Bitcoin going high and high and high again. So I just feel, if you want to invest in something, I don't think now is the best time to buy Bitcoin. I think you'll have to wait. I'm not saying you shouldn't buy, but if you have the money, you have like you have like $1 million. Why not? You can pop into Bitcoin. But again, I think you should wait for it to rest. Wait for a very good retracement. Wait for any market news or any negative news that affects Bitcoin, and boom, that will be your best time to buy in heavily. The rest of the tokens, like Dogecoins or XRP, I think, not just think. I know for a fact that XRP should be on everybody's watch list right now. If you're not investing in XRP, that I don't know what to say to you, man. That would just be great. That would be bad. XRP should be in your list. And I did say we would come over here and then we'll drop. Okay. And as you're seeing, that happened, and we popped up. Apart from the news that's also happened, again, I'm still saying this, that we are still there's I think there's still more deep to XRP. Not just think, not just feel, so I just know for a fact that there's still more deep into XRP. So if you're looking to buy XRP, and then you can buy it now, is like, again, I said DCA into it, and once you DCA into it, yeah, you see more. But again, I still believe the XRP is still gonna come down a little bit, probably to 1.7. I don't know what news is gonna drive it, but again, we might drop a little bit and then pop off. And again, I'm saying this, maybe we'll pop off to $10, 10 or 20 USD. But again, XRP might still tank a little bit. The hype will fade a little bit, but again, that will cause it to rally. If there's a huge sell-off, that and enough fear to people drop out, you jump in. But if you're seeing this now, you can still go in if you're ready for any market roller coaster events that will happen, because nobody's really certain. All we just know is next year is gonna be great. And our strong hope is that we have Donald Trump. And the only question we're asking ourselves is Donald Trump going to be good for the market? Would there be positive news? Yes. But how positive would the news be? Would it be enough to really to really hold the market, or put the markets, like not just the stock market, also the crypto market? Will it be enough to hold the economy? Will it be enough to make everything like so green and like, yeah? And that's why I don't know. That's what many people don't know. Speculators are just saying it's gonna be green, but how are you going to profit out of this? How are you going to profit? Even gold is having its own issues. And I still believe that we would tank more for gold. I still see gold dropping. Okay, I've been saying this. I said it. I did say we're gonna retrace here and we're gonna drop, and it's still happening. And I'm still saying that we would drop gold for gold. We would drop for gold. We should, not like we should. We would. I'm still seeing that bear nature on gold. I'm still seeing bearish movements on gold. And now that Bitcoin is doing too well, gold. We should be expecting gold to come back to like two 2003 and probably 2406 or around that area. That's one level there. Let's just clear it up to say 2.5. Yeah, that should be a very good realistic. But again, I'm still seeing gold dropping more. And if it does drop more, it's not a bad thing. It's we're traders, okay? You get in, you get out. If it falls, you get in. If it rises, you get out. So that's how we roll. That's how we roll. Anyway, that's all I want to say. This is the best time to buy the deep. If you're in XLP, if you're looking for a token to buy XLP, make sure you're buying it the deep. If you had bought yesterday, you would have been in a little profit today. And as well as Dogecoin, don't joke with Doge, man. People that don't joke with Doge. Okay, although yes, remember I did say we're gonna pop down. Yes, we are popping down good and steady. Hoping we come to 0.2. Or let's just say I'm anticipating price tries to come down to 0.2. And if price tries to come down to 0.2, like 0.29 around this area, I'll continue buying Dogecoin. And you can also continue buying if it comes down to 0.2294. Okay, but again, I'm just saying this, it's a long way. All right, it's a long way. You can't wait for the positive news to start buying into crypto. You have to get in now. If you're not getting in now, then I don't know when you're gonna get in. Another token is Sui. Yeah, hold up, let me pull that up. Sui. Let me put. Okay. Yeah, another token or another cryptocurrency is Sui, and this has it's. I like to call this mini Solana. Okay, I like to call this mini Solana because not just that the project is good. All right, I talked about this. Not that the project, no, it's not like it's a very strong project, but it's a very good project. Okay, it's not just about it being good or the you can see it's rising. No, it's a very good project, and it also shows that the community or the developers are really looking out for this token's well-being, and they are not greedy. They're ready to do anything that they can to make sure it's good. So if Sui is not on your list for 2025, I don't know what's on your list, bro. Get into Sui now, right? I know it's way above the top. We might top back down to $2.04, but that doesn't mean that it's still good. You can still get in, you get out. And I know for a fact that Sui would probably get to $20 or probably 100 or probably $100. So that's just it. Buy the deep. There's not much deep. It's just fear in the market. Don't be afraid of anything. It's just fear in the market. And for Tesla, yeah, I haven't really talked about Tesla. This is just a general review of what we should expect from the market. This is just a general review. If you're not investing in Tesla, I don't know what you're investing in. Okay, Tesla is another good project, or should I just say another good stocks that if you notice, I have been trading Tesla. I have been trading it. Yes, I do trade options once in a while, not every time, just when I see a very good pop up. Okay, so if you're going to like invest in Tesla, I really believe I think Tesla might drop a little bit on my weekly time frame. I really think that we might have this week week movement down to like probably 306 or just a weak movement basically. But again, Tesla should do well. Hopefully, I know Tesla is going to $1,000 for a fact. So if you're holding Tesla, I bought one. I have one Tesla. I bought Tesla at I think 115, 180, 190 around here, like a shares, not just the options, as shares. And I've been holding that, and I know for a fact that Tesla is going to $1,000, and I'm not still gonna sell off. Tesla is going places, people. Make sure you're holding Tesla. Any quantity and any amount will be good for you. 2025 will be green. If the news are positive, 2025 will be green. So that's that for that. I just wanted to talk about what happened yesterday, and that the red market doesn't really mean anything. The Feds will crash the market, but that doesn't mean the market is really that's not the BA time. This is not the BA. Everybody wants to get in. Even the Feds wants to get in. but they have to create force movement so everybody can drop out, everybody can move out. When there's enough fear in the market, everybody will be like, oh no, let's go out, let's move out. So that's not it. So don't because, oh, Paul is saying this. No, that doesn't mean. Look at the future, man. 2025 will be green. 2025 will be green. Okay, mark my words, and make sure you are ready. Buy the tokens that needed to be bought. Don't wait for it to be very green. If you had bought yesterday, if you had bought some bitcoins yesterday, you would actually be you. I mean, for those traders, like if you're trading, let me go to my 4 hour time frame. I was gonna trade on the options, but okay. Yeah, if you had bought Bitcoin yesterday, like after the drop, you'll be popping up because I know Bitcoin is still gonna go up. Like, yeah, so there's always opportunity in the market. It's just how you see the opportunity. It's just how much of, or what's your insight. Okay, what's your take? Are you really ready to jump in, or are you gonna jump out? Okay, that's just it. And hopefully by next year I'll be starting up the channel again, or the my Telegram channel again, and the community again, and a lot of things will be going down. I know that yes, I am lagging behind on making more videos or more content, but I'm sorry, I do apologize for that. But don't worry, everything's gonna be perfect very soon. I have some things I'm handling here real time, so it's not making me um consistent in making videos. I'll do better. I'll do better. Okay. That's all for that, guys. And again, just the Telegram channel is in the description below. Don't forget to join. All right. Have a nice one.